Alright, so before we begin getting into the playlist, we need to ask a question. Why y'all think the Constitution's important in your life and like how it affects your everyday life? And just take a couple minutes to discuss it in your groups, and then we'll go over it as a class.
Work it.
It's important to have a Constitution and how it affects your life. Yeah.
That phone fell. Your phone fell? Sorry. Say it again. What, can you repeat that question?
Yeah, why is it important to have a Constitution, and how does it affect your everyday life? Y'all have an idea, Samantha? You don't know any way the Constitution affects your life or how our life is working? What does the Constitution say? It's a certain code of rights, right? That protect the rights of people, right? It has the amendments.
Are we A, doing what the screen says, or B, listening to Mr. Maloney? Because he's telling you some good stuff. So either way, you have something to do. Ladies.
Say what? Say yes, sir.
I know, you just talk about it. It's like
Work.
a certain So what do you think? Do y'all have an idea or something to say about how the Constitution is important? How it affects your everyday life? So what would happen if you take the Constitution? Or how and you know how it affects your daily life? What would happen if you didn't have it? You personally? Nothing. Y'all have an idea? What the Constitution is important and how it affects your life? You wouldn't have freedom, or you wouldn't have it. Or what would that mean?
No, it means we won't have the right to use
What does the Constitution do? Gives you rights and tells us how the government is run. Do y'all have an idea? Why the Constitution is important and how it affects your life? Is there really a Constitution? Constitution gives you rights and tells you how the government is run. So what would happen without it?
Then everything will be okay.
And how would that affect your life? What would happen if you didn't have a Constitution? How does it affect your life?
All do most of
Oh,
It's something like a dashboard.
it sounds like something.
Okay, so we've gotten a minute to discuss. Which group wants to first explain like how the Constitution affects us? Hang on, Zeze, is your group ready?
What?
All right, quiet. No,
Oh.
y'all can talk first. I want to make sure everyone has your attention first. Yeah, not all the way through. Yeah. And
We won't have freedom.
what does that mean? Zeze, make sure you listen. What does not having freedom mean? What does the Constitution do to give you freedom?
No, we just have means we won't have
We wouldn't get to do what we like. Today we get to do stuff that we get to do, but like before the Constitution, like became to be like we can do stuff now that we wouldn't have been able to do.
And how does that? Like what? Like the right to a free trial or something? Yeah, it sets up how the government's going to function. Who else has an idea? Joey, I know you had a lot of opinions about this.
I just
Zeze, make sure you listen. Yeah.
Oh. I don't know where to start. Yes? Like what's the question?
Like how does it affect your daily life? Or what problems would it be if you didn't have it? Or your opinion on the Constitution?
If we didn't have it, I would be happy because then we would have more things to do, like I guess the state would work together in making the whole world like I don't even know what you're gonna do. But I mean like we have more opportunities to do instead of being forced to do whatever we have.
What are you forced to do?
Like some people don't want to go to school, yes, but that's not my point though. It's like I guess because you're forced to do certain things, like you can't do like what you really want to do. You have to follow by the rules and like have because they overpower us. We don't have the rights to do what we want to.
Yeah, that's a good thought, Joey. Yeah, Zeze.
It would be chaos and like that basically it'd be chaos, and if we didn't have if it was chaos, then most of us would probably most likely be dead.
Yeah, it gives you a list. It gives you guidelines of how the government should work, right? So basically guidelines, and if you didn't have it, then the government could pretty much take advantage of you, right, and do whatever they want. George, does your group have an example of how it affects your life? How the Bill of Rights, or the rights that it sets out, like kind of affects you personally? What would happen if the troops or cops were allowed to just storm in your house and like
Then
take it over? Would that be fair?
no.
No. So it's important that we have the Bill of Rights, right, to protect our freedoms, and that kind of makes us the nation we are, right? Yeah.
But sometimes, like if the troops were able to do that, then if you wouldn't really have to worry about nothing if you had everything that was legal.
Yeah. But if everything was legal, then it would just be chaos again, right?
Yeah.
Samantha, what does your group think?
He didn't get anything.
You don't think anything?
He was talking.
There has to be something.
Somebody wasn't talking. He said he was
How did the Bill of Rights like affect you, or how does it positively affect you? What would you not be able to do without it?
Like, if somebody went to like my house and like broke in, I wouldn't be able to like just shoot them.
Exactly, right? So, but we have the right to self-defense, right? So, and the right to bear arms. But yeah, it's important to, so why is it important to have a constitution? Basically, what does it say? Who knows? Like what our whole country is founded on. You said it earlier, freedoms, right?
Yeah.
So it gives us freedoms and protects us from tyranny and getting back to what the British government was like. Do you have anything else to say, Mr. Parks?
No.
All right, so does everyone have their vocab? Do they need to cut it out?
Alright, vocabulary. Now, since everybody skipped this step yesterday,